Okay, I'm still working on my little air piping project. Um, I just thought this would be a good opportunity to show you how to thread a pipe. This is how pipes get threaded. So we got the Ridgid 300 pipe thread cutting machine. These are good machines. I've got the die set. Well, we're going to do a tri piece here. We want to get, once I cut the threads, we want to get a fitting to turn 3.5 turns by hand. That's about what you want. And then you can tighten it from there with the wrench. Okay, so we're going to try to see if we can get 3.5 turns by hand. 1, 2, 3. About 3 3/4. I think it's pretty. We're going to tighten those threads up just a hair. Going to tighten them up a hair. Okay, we're going to go ahead and adjust this die. I want to get my threads a little bit tighter. So we're going to open it up a hair. Give that a shot. Okay, we're going to cut this old thread off. This is the important part when you're doing thread pipe. You want to take your time, get these dies adjusted properly. Okay, we'll try our 3.5 turn and see if we got it this time. Okay. 1, 2. That's a little tight, so we're going to go a little deeper. Plunge this down a little bit deeper. Right about there. Tighten that down. See what this does for us. Okay. 1, 2. Still too tight. I'm going to set this die just to go a little deeper. Alright, we'll give that a shot. I don't need to cut the threads off since we're going deeper. Grab my oiler. Okay, we're going to try that again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3.5. Perfect. That's what we want. Now we have that. We're going to go ahead and get this measurement on this 1/2 inch. Run it over. Put a valve in, which I have down here. Valve, regulator. So, pipe, valve, regulator. Then I wanted to get this thing turned down. But then I should have some type of, I should do a split ring bracket or hanger there, because I don't like that if the hose is pulling on it. It's going to be swinging in the breeze. So let's get a rough measurement of what we need for the valve. 25, 26 inches. Where would 26 put us at? Yeah, we'll do 26 inches. Hard to do one-handed, but yeah, there we go. So let's just go ahead and double check that thread. 1, 2. Well, we got 3. We're gonna call that good. Should work just fine. Should work just fine. I gotta decide. I think I'm gonna want a union in there. Okay, I'm gonna get some parts together here. Try to figure out what I got going on. Well, I'm gonna probably call it a day today. We bounced around a little bit, but we got this side working. Regulator or pressure gauge, whatever. So yeah, this side, then we go through the wall back there. And we are working our way over to here. We got this come through the wall. We're gonna drop down here. Still gotta get a bracket on there. So we gotta get a bracket on there. And then this is gonna go to a hose. And underneath here into that white capped PVC. And that goes out into the yard to a air hydrant out there, and I'm gonna put a hose reel down here. So yeah, I kind of got started on that this morning. We got bouncing around running some errands. and went out and worked on that septic tank a little bit more, trying to backfill part of it. And yeah, I'm calling it a day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and sub if you enjoy these kind of videos. Thanks.